In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to subscribe to the NFHS Network. Let's get started. First, navigate to the official website of NFHS. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the option of subscribe. Here you will see two main options. The first is monthly pass, which costs around $13 per month and gives you full access to live and on-demand events. The second option is the annual pass, which is about $79 per year and works out cheaper in the long run if you plan to watch throughout the season. Both plan includes access to live games, replays, and school events like playoff and championships. After choosing your plan, click continue. Now you'll be prompted to enter your school name. Type in that. Then you'll be prompted to enter your payment details. Fill in all of these and click on subscribe and start watching. Once your payment is confirmed, your subscription will be activated instantly. After subscribing, just log in on any device like your phone, laptop, Roku, Fire TV or browse and you'll be able to stream live games or watch replays anytime. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.